know how the symptoms of schizophrenia develop, but doctors have found that chemical messengers in the brain are involved. Doctors call them neurotransmitters because they transmit neurological or nerve impulses. Two important chemical messengers for schizophrenia are dopamine and serotonin. An example can help explain how these chemical messengers work. Think about how you hear sounds. They reach your ear in the form of sound waves. A dog barks. That sound, in the form of sound waves, reaches your ears. But the brain can't understand them, so your body turns them into electrical nerve impulses. The impulses travel to your brain. They follow nerves separated by switches, called synapses. Here, the impulses must cross a narrow gap between the nerves. This gap is called the synaptic cleft. Your body makes special chemical messengers, the neurotransmitters dopamine and serotonin. They help the impulses cross from one nerve to the next. The impulses reach the hearing or auditory center of your brain. Now the brain hears and understands the dog's bark. In good health, impulse transmission works well. Schizophrenia can interfere with impulse transmission. In people with schizophrenia, parts of their brain may have too much dopamine or serotonin. These increased levels cause the brain to receive too many impulses at once. This is more information than the brain can handle. This confuses the brain. The result can be hallucinations or delusions. For example, a person with schizophrenia may hear voices without anyone talking. That's because the brain has received too many impulses, and it interprets these impulses as voices. You may also hear the word psychosis or phrase psychotic episode when discussing schizophrenia or other mental health conditions. These are other ways of saying that someone is experiencing an increase in positive symptoms. Confusion in thought or speech, delusions, false beliefs that aren't based in reality, paranoia, unfounded fear or suspicion, hallucinations, hearing, seeing, or feeling things that aren't based on reality, or disordered thinking, thoughts that jump between unrelated topics.